Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Just wanted to come here and say thank you to all my 56 subscribers for subscribing my channel. And I really do appreciate you guys. It means a lot. I never thought that we would even have a 10 subscriber, let alone we are on the 56 subscribers. And YouTube just turned on my live features. So maybe I'll be going on live when I actually fix phones so you guys can see how the process is done. And you can also comment below and let me know what do you want to see, what phones that actually you're having issues with, and if you need some help fixing it, please leave a comment, message us, and we're here to help you. um, Once again, thank you so much, guys, because we never thought that it will be even 10 or 15. Now we are on the 56 subscribers, so it's getting better. We just started like 3 weeks ago, I believe, and we already have 56 subscribers, so that's a good sign. Thank you so much, guys, for doing that. And whoever is liking our content, commenting on it, sharing it, I really do appreciate you guys. And yeah, I just want to connect on one-on-one basis. So I want to know that what are the issues that you're having with your cell phones that actually we can help you with. Um, but yeah, that's I just wanted to come and say thank you so much. So the live, maybe we'll do fixing electronics, let's say, I don't know, maybe we can do some cell phones, some tablets, Apple Watches. But if you tell me what exactly are you struggling with, we should be able to help you with that. Once again, it does mean a lot because 56 subscribers in 3 weeks, I think it's a good start. But from now onward, I will be trying to post it regularly so you guys can keep getting the content. Um, but other than that, do let me know what do you think our content look like. And I know it's not the best out there, but we are just starting. So hopefully that we're going to be creating this community or maybe a team online where everyone is welcome and they can comment and they can tell us how we are doing. So guys, once again, thank you so much, and I hope that you keep subscribing our channel, and I will be keep posting videos. Thank you for everything. Bye for now.